drop. Listen here, this is basic arithmetic. Divide and conquer, so charismatic. Hey, buddy, in the chasing hits like ethics. I'd rather put lead in your ethic. Bad sticks, articulate.
Yo, what's good, everybody? Happy Friday. It's Mike D back with a video. Jordan 6 DMPs just arrived. Well, it came last night, and I did open them and took a look at them, but I wanted to take them out, show them to you guys, show you what I think about them. And let's do that. But before we get into that, if it's your first time watching one of my videos, go like the video, subscribe to it, check out some other videos, leave a comment, let's talk about it, and we'll go from there. All right, and just like that, we are right back in it. All right, so first off, look at this box. Gold, black. It's a beautiful box. It's really nice. It's a beautiful box. All right, so let's read the tag off together, okay? Air Jordan 6 Retro DMP, black, metallic gold, black. Pretty simple. All right, and I was only able to get, my 11.5 was sold out. I was able to get a 12. I might keep them, I'm not sure yet, but 12 was a little bit too big. They might fit a little bit funny. So, but I wanted to get them anyway just to take a look at them and show these to you guys. All right, let's you guys take a look at the tag right there. All right, and the suggested retail on these is $200. All right, so open up the box. It does have that Jordan Unite paper. You guys can take a look at it. That's that paper that says Unite on it. A couple layers on it. And then this is what you have, folks. Yes. Right off the bat, you got that smell. There we go. The Jordan 6 DMP from the Defining Moments pack. And it's got this cool little tag right there that almost like a dog tag. And it says the Air Jordan 6, June 12th, 1991 defining moment. MJ's first professional championship. The Jordan 6 was the first, the shoe that he won his first title in, the Breads. So, but this shoe is very gorgeous. It has a lot of subtle kind of hits of gold. There's your icy bottom with the gold Jumpman down there. You got the gold on the pull tab right here. 23 is gold, and it's got these gold hits around the bottom. Then you got the gold on the tongue and also on the lace lock. I don't know if you can see that. Yep, on the lace lock. And also gold inside on the sole right there. It's got a Jumpman. These are really nice. This is a really nice shoe. The gold really sets it off, and in all the right spots, I believe. I like it. It makes me want to keep these, which I don't know. I might. But other than that, it's not really a whole lot to go off on. I do see a few imperfections here and there, but you know, it's a retro. Some gold there, there and there. That looks nice on the tab right there. That looks real nice. So, but other than that, that's all I really have for today. I'm gonna go home. Just went out to grab some food to throw on the grill later. So I'm gonna go home, just hang out for a while. I'm off today, and see what else I can get into. Fire Red 5s tomorrow, 10 o'clock Eastern. Still don't know if that's a double up. I don't know. I heard there's going to be a ton of pairs, so we shall see what mood I'm in. But that's it. I just wanted to give you guys a quick look at what I think about this shoe. We'll get a nice little close-up of it. There we go. This should be a nice detailed look up close. because this is what it's about, right? Is the shoe, ain't it? Yeah. All right, y'all. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. If you like the video, give it a like. Hope everybody has a blessed and wonderful weekend. Stay safe. Keep your loved ones safe. I'll see you guys on the next one, y'all. Peace.
Just trying to get comfortable with the booth again.